Package Control Rolaload, an entirely new concept to reduce one of the highest costs to modern industry, distribution. The loading of a trailer or lorry is normally done by pallet truck, as shown here. Very awkward to steer and causes damage to both goods and trailers. Due to the length of time taken to load a trailer, this dock had to have space for 6 trailers to park. Rolaload will reduce this to only 2 trailers at any one time, so releasing 3,000 square feet or 280 square meters for active production space. Rolaload will cut the trailer fleet by half. Rolaload channel is laid into the dock, and the equivalent channel is laid in the truck. Rolaload is composed of a train of skates running on needle-bearing rollers. In the deflated condition, the skates are below ground level. When the air cushion inflates, the load is lifted above ground level by 23 millimeters, and the load is easily moved. The special form of the riser plate ensures that the load follows the course of the track, and the skate cannot touch the specially formed aluminium channel. The skates are individually made to the approximate length of the pallet and are articulated by a simple bolt bearing to compensate for any unevenness in the track. Although a normal forklift truck can be used, Phoenix were asked to design a truck which could lift 2 pallets at a time and to make sideways movement possible. The only difference to pre-assembling a load in the old manner from using Rolaload is that a precise load must be made. This load of wine and spirits, weighing 28 tons, will move into a 43-foot or 13.2-meter trailer in approximately 30 seconds, with only 6 millimeters or 1/4 of an inch of space to spare on either side. To aid the forklift driver, the floor and the tracks are slightly recessed. The pallets are the normal Europallet size, and because of this precise pre-loading, 26 pallets will be carried by the trailer. Loading with a pallet truck could not be this precise, and only 24 pallets could be carried. The trailer arrives to collect its load. The driver guides the vehicle by a yellow line painted on the ground and aligns into position. A simple device mounted on the back of the trailer is connected to a set of traffic lights on the trailer, and when red shows, the trailer stops. The alignment and lifting device lifts the back of the trailer and positions it for exact alignment. The airline is plugged into the lorry to inflate the track. The lifting device lifts the back of the trailer and supports it to compensate for the movement of the springs when loading or unloading takes place. Although a normal lorry driver can align his lorry perfectly, the lifting device can compensate for the unskillful driver, as shown here. The load is now completed, and the complete load of 28 tons of wine and spirits is now ready for loading into the lorry. The forklift positions the hole in the fork over the push-pull skate. The safety device, which stops a load being pushed over the end of the dock, is now released and pulled to one side. The forklift driver inflates the tracks in the trailer and on the dock. The load, and remember it's a normal palletized load, is now pushed into the trailer. The speed is remarkable, and because of the patented skate train, the clearance is only 6 millimeters or 1/4 of an inch on either side of the load. From the time the trailer enters the yard until it drives out of the gate, less than 10 minutes elapse. The forklift driver deflates both tracks. With the tracks in the deflated position, the forklift driver reverses, withdrawing the skate train from the trailer. When the skate train is fully withdrawn, it's ready for another load to be assembled. The lifting device now lowers the trailer to the ground. The airline is disconnected from the lorry. The trailer now moves forward so that the doors can be closed. A safety device is included so that the trailer cannot move until the airline is disconnected. A nod from the driver and he's ready to leave. The 43-foot or 13.2-meter trailer now drives away less than 10 minutes after entering the yard. The trailer arrives at the disposal point, and in a trunking operation, the whole load is unloaded as shown here. The track is in the deflated position. The skate train is moved under the load. The forklift driver inflates the track, and the complete load is taken out of the trailer. The load is now dispersed into the warehouse. The trailer is free to move to another dock for another load or to continue to another warehouse. The total loading and unloading maneuver has taken less than 20 minutes at both ends of the journey.